Alright, catching up on trailers. This one's for Animals from Netflix. Don't know anything about it, but let's check it out. It's like, why is it so quiet? And Yeun, and directed by Ben Affleck. I already love this cast though. Kerry Washington. I like Ben Affleck a lot. He is up there like with my favorite. Dude, he's in competition for me for best Batman with Christian Bale. Forgot her name, but she's very good. This looks creepy as fuck. Don't know why it's called Animals, but I know it's a teaser, so Netflix October 9th. Are you guys gonna check it out? Animals. Let me know down below. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.